Some channels blow up on YouTube, but most business channels, they're killing their traffic without realizing it because they're making the wrong kind of videos. In the next few minutes, I'll show you the only 4 types of videos that actually turn YouTube into a lead machine without needing millions of views. I came about this strategy earlier this year when I was running my first coaching cohort to solve my own problem and their problem of making videos that actually do something for the channel. This is the content that proves you know what you're doing. Category 1 is the engine, the problem-solving content. Let's say you are helping businesses implement AI in any form. Then your content should be about that, explaining what the problem is and then showing how to solve that problem. Make tutorials so the DIY folks can do it for free and the business owners with money prefer to outsource it to you. By demonstration, you can prove them that you can get them the results they want. Okay, so the first category is taking your future clients from point A to point B. Show, don't just tell. That makes you stand out. And making these videos solves a problem for you too as well. Instead of getting 50 views and 0 comments and 100% frustration, these will get hundreds and even thousands of views and drive your channel up. Add real examples and stories to make them even better. Here's an example from my channel. How to install DaVinci Resolve and edit your first videos. Super simple, but it works. It shows I know how to edit videos. Useful skill. If you need help, there's a CTA to an offer. This is the content that actually gets you paid. Okay, category 2 is the Megaphone. Promotion. Guess what? You need to let people know what your offer is. They don't know who you are. They don't know what you're offering. And they're not going to guess, and most won't bother to check. So make it clear in your videos how you help people. Here's an example. I help businesses plan and execute strategic videos to get them traffic and more clients. And then you can expand on the topic and say how to contact you, like check the first link in the description to see my offer for businesses. Can you really get clients from a promotional video? Here's the truth. It completely depends how you frame it. It can be a valuable video for your clients and you simply inject the idea of what you offer somewhere in the video. I've noticed that the more nonchalant you are about it, the better. So what problem does this solve to your channel? Instead of trying to sell something to people, which makes everyone uncomfortable, you first educate them and provide value, and then simply nudge them towards your offer if they need your help. So for example, this video where I compared YouTube to a massive flywheel worked really well and got me a new client, because halfway through the video, I transitioned into promoting my all-in-one service. Actually, I need to update that link. I changed the offer. This is the content that makes people remember you. Category 3 is the human touch, personal interests. Let's say you have an online security business. So you should talk about your passion, kite surfing? Absolutely yes. Most business channels are more miserable than a funeral home brochure. Adding more soul and flavor to your channel can only make it better. YouTube is not LinkedIn. You can actually make it more fun and entertaining, for example, by making content about your hobbies and interests. Why does this work? Because this is the personal side in the branding, personal branding. It makes you stand out from the mass. So the problem this category solves is to stand out from the dry, cookie-cutter tutorial channels that make people fall asleep or leave. By doing this, you give your channel a soul and real energy because you talk about things you really care about. Example from my channel. Is Blender faster on Linux or Windows? Very much my personal interest. Also very good for my channel. Now people know I'm a PC nerd, and that makes me more interesting for the right audience. Okay, confession time. I was lying about the last tip. I said these are not going to help you get more views, but this last category actually is. Now, this is the content that can change your business overnight. In category 4, the detonator is where the explosion happens. If the 3 previous types are a so-called critical mass, then a detonator can trigger a chain reaction of views and generate you new clients. What do I mean by that? So the first three categories by themselves are quite inert and stable. There is a low risk that any of them will blow up. So to facilitate that, we need to drop a detonator that by design is likely to get much more views, become an outlier on your channel, and introduce new audiences to your videos. Detonators are designed to blow up by pulling in a much wider audience than your core videos. And when one pops, the ripple effect floods your whole channel. Okay, show me an example, Maru. Last year, I posted a video about living in Spain. It got 30,000 views, while most of my videos typically get less than 1,000 views. When that happened, I got a sudden flush of emails and a new business client. Okay, why does a video about living in Spain qualify as a detonator? Well, it doesn't matter too much what you talked about, and here's why. You simply need to find a relevant topic that you can talk about with experience that has a broad audience appeal. So this is the opposite of a niche down problem solving video for a target group. This is for the largest audience to address a topic that can attract 10 or 100 times more audience than your core topic where you simply solve problems. How to get ideas for those detonator videos then? Look at your own life right now, what is happening, and be bold to share your real opinion about it. Polarizing is good. Emotional is good. Using AI is good. And by the way, you want both fans and haters. One cannot exist without the other, because here's the secret. If you get a hateful, ignorant comment that is misplaced, it is likely that someone in your audience will defend you. I've seen this happen. This is great for engagement. So find a controversial topic or shared common desire and talk about it. Of course, it should have something to do with your offer and your channel, even if indirectly. Like if I talk about living abroad, it's also about me being self-employed, a digital nomad living in the creator economy, and by extension, helping other businesses on YouTube, making a full circle. Bottom line, when a detonator blows up, the algorithm will flood your channel with more views in a similar manner than a detonator core creates a chain reaction on the critical mass on an atomic level. I've seen this happen a couple of times on my channel, and it will happen again. Also for you, so start thinking about detonators you could publish on your channel. So what I really want you to take home from this video is this. Instead of wondering what videos you should be making on your channel, doing these 4 has worked for me and for my coaching clients. Try it out. And remember that making content is not a one-shot game. If some of the videos fail, I've seen that many times, it doesn't matter because no one cares. No one saw them. And perhaps you just learn something about them that you don't repeat. Stick with these 4. Cycle them, refine them, repeat them. You don't need luck. You just need to keep pulling the trigger. The chain reaction will come, and when it does, it can transform your business faster than you can say, subscribe. To see an example how I'm using the chain reaction strategy on my channel, check out one of these videos next.